from the truck, my lord. And if your lordship kindly takes me into the complaint from my landlord.
You are driver of the truck?
I am driver of the truck.
And person in charge?
My lord.
Who is the owner of the truck?
My lord, he has not made accused.
Not made accused.
And my lord, on 11th of December 2019.
But who is the owner? Whether you are also owner of the truck?
That I have to take instruction.
Are you also owner of the truck?
That I have to take instruction. And my lord, on 11th of December 2019, when the seizure was made, my lord, I have to be produced under section 57 of the CRPC within 24 hours to the nearby magistrate, my lord. But I have been produced in the nearby magistrate at Malda Court, my lord, on 13th. And 13th FIR was registered, my lord. Although from the complaint your lordship find from the case diary that seizure was admittedly made on, my lord, 11th of December 2019. Although the arrest was shown on, my lord, 13th of December 2019, and I have been produced before the learned court on, my lord, 13/12/2019.
When was the charge sheet filed?
Charge sheet, my lord, charge sheet filed on 3rd December. Complaint, my lord, 3rd of December 2020. Just, my lord, a few days after, my lord, within 1 year, my lord. Few days back within 1 year. 2020 complaint file and 2023, my lord, December is the next date fixed for, my lord.
এখানে একটু চার্জ 7 কোথায় চার্জ
অর্ডার সিট আছে
চার্জ ফ্রেম হয় চার্জ নো ওই চার্জ
and the next date is fixed for only for production and appearance, my lord. No date has been fixed for framing of charge yet also, my lord.
Let us hear the NCB.
Yes.
Sir, what do you say? My lord, in my respect to submission, my lord, they have three things. First of all, my lord, what I am trying to point out very humbly before your lordship, thrice bail application has been rejected, and all these points have been taken into consideration by this honorable court, and lastly, the bail was rejected on 6th of July 2023. All these points, my lord. Now, my lord, the second branch which I will amplify is, my lord, that one cannot be allowed to take advantage of his own wrong. What happened is they challenged the proceeding by way of a revisional application before this honorable court in 2021.
No, not 21.
22, I stand corrected, my lord. May I'll not speak something which is off the record. 2022. That application was kept here, and the records from the trial court were called for by this honorable court. That matter was kept pending before this honorable court for years, and that was simply after that withdrawn by the petitioner from this honorable court. My lord, I'll take, my lord, and then, my lord, after that, my lord, only in the month of August 2023, the records reached the learned trial court, and after that, my lord, the documents were to be given, but the accused persons did not appear on the last date. So what is happening is, my lord, they are taking advantage of their own wrong. And, my lord, first I'll amplify on the orders by virtue of which the bail application has been rejected, my lord. First of all, he is the driver. In his custody, the entire things were there, my lord. Now, my lord, will kindly come to page. First rejection, my lord. Will kindly come to first page 15, my lord. The page 13, my lord, of my lord's brief. 6/5/2022, my lord. First point which they had taken at that point of time, that the charge sheet was, the time before filing charge sheet was not extended, which was put to rest by this order. My lord, will take page 13 of my lord's brief, my lord. Order it is 6/5/2022. Lordships have got it. My lord, the third paragraph, my lord. Fourth paragraph from the top, my lord. Learned advocate appearing for the NCB submits as pursuant to an application for extension of time to submit the complaint. The same was granted. The time to submit the complaint was extended on May 27, 2020. The complaint was filed within the extended time. Now, my lord, then after that, the petitioner herein played for default bail on June 16. The time for submit complaint was extended by order dated May 27, 2020. The complaint was ultimately filed on December 3, 2020 within the extended period of time, and therefore the question of the petitioner being enlarged on default bail does not arise. Consequently, the bail was rejected. Now, my lord, the second order, my lord. Page 15, my lord, will kindly come. All those points have been taken into consideration. The order dated 23/2/2023, page 15 of my lord's brief. My lord has got it. My lord, will kindly, I may be allowed to read paragraph 3, my lord. From the materials on record as well as the report, we note narcotics above commercial quantity was recovered from the petitioner. Petitioner does not stand on the same footing with the co-accused who are